ever wondered if you could experience the whole of Indonesia all from a single place? Step foot inside and be embraced by the warmth of Indonesian hospitality. At Santika, we embody the essence of graciousness, extending a heartfelt welcome that mirrors the openness of the Indonesian spirit. Immersing our guests in authentic experiences that celebrate Indonesia's rich cultural heritage is part of our very soul. Welcome to Indonesia. Welcome to Santika. Santika Indonesia Hotels and Resorts. Hospitality from the heart.